Hello and welcome to Exquisite Info. My topic today is how to speed up Windows 10 boot speed. Stick around and I'll show you a step-by-step guide. Now there are two different methods, so I'll show you both. Follow it and I'm sure it'll help you a lot. So the first method is you need to go into search bar, Windows search bar, where it says type here to search and search in msconfig. So as you can see, msconfig. So that's letter M, S, and then CONFIG, and then you get something called system configuration. Click on that and open it. Double click the left mouse button to open, and once it's opened, what you need to do is go to services. First of all, before you do anything here, make sure that you hide where it says hide all Microsoft services. Very important, check this box so you don't remove any Microsoft services, otherwise it'll cause issues to start the Windows 10. So first of all, you hide that and then remove anything unnecessary that you don't want Windows to start up. Now I've got Adobe Update Service. Now I don't need that. Adobe Genuine Monitor Service. Everything to do with Adobe, I'll remove it. AVG Antivirus, okay, that'll do. That's okay, not bad. So I'll leave that. I've got these web browsers I'll remove as well. So disk drill, I don't know what that is, so I'll remove that. I'll leave the graphic cards and Google updates, don't really need them, but I'll keep it. I'll remove Mozilla Firefox and anything else. Wondershare, this is a Filmora, I don't need as well on the startup. Whenever I need it, I can just enable it. So what you do after that is click apply and then next click startup, which is the very next box next to services. And in this one, it's not similar to Windows 7. Windows 10 requires you to open the task manager. So you open the task manager and in here it'll give you the option for startup. As you can see, look, these are the services that are running, and also it'll give you the measurement of how serious they are. Low actually does not mean much, but still it's still taking a bit of space, so the services you don't need, remove it. And especially the high ones, as you can see, Adobe here, it's impact on the startup is very high, so I'm gonna disable this one for startup. So this will be good. So it's disabled. And Windows security, okay, that's good because that will help me. Even if it's medium, I won't remove that. And some of these are not measured, so still I'll remove it. Creative Cloud, this is for the Photoshop, I don't need as well, so I'll close that. And if there's anything else I can see, look, I'll just simply disable them. Adobe is already disabled. Okay, this is I don't want as well. Anything I don't want. Opera, the browser, I don't want as well, so I'll just stop that for now. Whenever I need, I can restart it again. So all you do is now click X. That's done. So that's the first part. I'll do exit without a restart for now. I don't want to restart. The second part that I was telling you about was this one here. So in here, type here to search again, click startup, and in startup you'll get something called startup apps. So startup apps, click on that. This is slightly easier way to do than msconfig, but it's same thing. As you can see, the same thing, low impact, high impact. Look, Adobe was high impact, I've already closed it. AVG, so you can close the same thing that I've done from there, you can do it from here as well. So anything you don't want, you can either go from there or do it from here, whichever you prefer. Let's say, I'll give you an example. Look, one of the browsers is running, so I'll close it, turn it off. And another Adobe is running, I'll turn it off. And this is the browser I don't want as well, so I'll close these ones. Creative Cloud, I've already turned it off there, but I don't know why it came here. So that's all it is. And once it's done, click X, and then like it's asking you to restart the computer. That's all you do, restart your computer, and that should boost your speed. So I hope this tutorial helped you, and if it did, please do click thumbs up, and I appreciate if you could subscribe to the channel as well. I look forward to making another video for you, and goodbye for now. This was Exquisite Info, making a very quick tutorial on how to boost your Windows speed.